This is a tutorial on Apple's Classroom app. It's a classroom management app. Here it is on the home screen. Go ahead and click on it. You can see if you hold it down that you get different options. It pops up that you need to put in a teacher name. So this would be what your students see, and this will create your account as well. Hit save. And now you can see where you can create a class. So you're going to hit that, and it pops up. You can put in a class name in a description. So if you have like first period, you can put in first period. You can put in reading. You can change your icons and the color as well. So each class can be different. And then our classes pop up. So let's go ahead and click on it. Hit don't allow for now. Now we need to invite students. So click invite students and that will pop up a screen. Now let's go take a look at the student side of this. At the student home screen, click on Settings, and on the left side you'll see that a thing called Classroom has popped up. Once you click on that, they should see the class. So the students need to click on that and then put in their first and last name. Now you want this to be the name that you know them by. So if they have a short name or a different name they go by, have them type that so it's easier for you. Now here they need to put in the 4-digit code that you had on your teacher's screen. And then once they do that, they're waiting for the teacher. So on the teacher side of things, it'll pop up for you to invite the students. And once you invite them, it says Classes 5D. So the students are all set up. And this is what it looks like on the teacher end of things. You can see all your students' names here. And take a look at the screen. You can see that you have lots of different things you can do. So let's go ahead and we're just going to click on an individual student. So I'm going to click on my student and I'm going to navigate them to an app. So I'm going to look through my apps that I have that I can open up on their iPads, and I'm going to choose Safari. So let's go ahead and open that up. And you'll see that it got sent to them. To show you the best, I'm going to have a student side and a teacher side here. So on the teacher side, they have Safari open, and I'm going to send them to the Weather Channel. So I'm going to click on that, and it pushes it out to their iPads, and they are where I need them to be. So it's kind of cool that you can do that with all of them at the same time. So just showing you kind of how we can do this. So now let's say we don't want the students messing with the iPads at all. I'm going to hit lock and it locks all of their screens. And then I can hit unlock and it will unlock all of their screens at the same time. So now they are back. They can look at Safari. So I can mute theirs. I can turn it on and off. So that's kind of nice. And then you can also individually see what their screens look like. So you can look as a whole class kind of where they're at, and then I just pulled up Billy's. So I can see on the teacher side, or student side, he's scrolling down. On the teacher side, I can see that as well. So now I can lock just Billy's iPad. Everybody else can keep going, but maybe I need to talk to Billy. He's not doing what he needs to be doing. And then once he figures it out, we can unlock it again. So another feature is I can AirPlay the student's screen up on the board so that everybody in the class can see it. And this is really great if you want to share papers or great ideas that they're doing. You can also create groups so you can send certain things to certain groups of kids. So when you're done, you're going to hit End Class. Once you hit End Class, you'll see a summary of what you guys did together. Then you just hit Done and it'll take you back to your teacher home screen. You no longer control the kids' iPads, but they will still be logged in, so you can always control them again. You can always hit Edit if you want to rename your class or change a color or an icon. You just click on the 3 dots once you hit Edit, and it'll pull everything up for you. So this has been Apple's Classroom app. I hope you enjoy.